Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today we have CPI inflation data coming out for the US, definitely a very big news event. The US dollar yen has actually been in a major sideways market for quite some time now, and actually, based on the US dollar index, I think there's a good chance that it may stay within this sideways market. It may actually even go back up and retest these highs before it actually ends up going down and giving us this big break of structure we're waiting for. Now, today is inflation data, but next week is the rate news for the US, which is a much bigger, better news event. So potentially this could drift up, towards the top of this channel that we were in, and maybe mid next week when we have that bigger news event, that's when it's going to end this correction for real, go down and finally give us this break of structure and the break of this channel that we've been in. And hopefully this will turn into a big old wave three based on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.